Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So on today's video, I will be taking you through my process of making my second school project, which is a ladies blouse with puffed sleeves. I am laying the pattern pieces on top of my fabric. The fabric for the blouse we had to buy for ourselves. The lecturer did not provide for us this time. She only provided us with threads, and I don't know the name of the fabric, but its texture is almost of a cotton fabric. So this is where I'm at. I just laid all my pieces. This is the back unfold, the facing, the cuffs, two cuffs, the front. I haven't painted the front yet. Then the sleeve, I haven't painted it yet. I only painted this one, so I need to call the lecturer to come and rectify before I cut it out. And today I'm working with Vhembe. There's Vhembe. Then here it's Tendo. Then there's Indigo over there. She's working on her drawings. The lecturer provided us with a size 28 pattern because we were not yet done drafting our blouse patterns, and pinning this took too long because I had to make sure that I am pinning all the pieces at once and making sure that they are all on the grain. So my lecturer already came out and approved everything, and I already went ahead and cut all the pieces out. I have two puffed sleeves, two cuffs on fold, two front facings, two front pieces, and one back piece on fold, and we had forgotten to cut the collars, so we cut the collars later on. As usual, the first thing that I have to do was stitch the dots, so I am stitching the dot, one for each front piece and the two for the back piece. After stitching the dots, I went ahead and pressed them. I pressed all of the dots towards the side seams, and now I am ironing the interfacing to the front facing and the collar. And after ironing the interfacing, I will join the side seams and the shoulder seam and press. This was my first time threading an overlock, and it literally took me more than 30 minutes to thread it, but it's a good thing because now I can thread it way faster. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry about the noise outside. There are kids outside playing, so I don't know if you can hear that, but if you can, there are kids playing outside. So I just wanted to show you where I'm at with the blouse. I already attached the facing. This is the facing, and this is also the facing. Today I only attached the collar. Here is my collar attached, and this is what it looks from the outside. Yeah, it's neat. I actually love how it looks. So yeah, that's just it. That's where I'm at so far. So I have to press these first. I have to press these. Let me show you how the collar looks while folded. Okay, so this is how the collar is supposed to look once it's folded. So yeah, I actually really love this. I'm planning on making one for myself, since this is for a school project and this size is smaller. It's too tight on me. I tried it on, it's tight on me, but if I can, I will try it on again after I'm done inserting the buttons, because we have to insert buttons here. So yeah, but before that I still have to attach the sleeves. I chose puffed sleeves. We were given a choice of puff sleeve or a basic long sleeve, but I chose a puff sleeve. So yeah, that's probably what I will do that tomorrow, since tomorrow we have the whole day of sewing, and also I have to hem the edge. I have to hem here. I haven't done that, so yeah, that's the only thing I'm left with, hemming and attaching the sleeve with cuff. So yeah, this is it. I'm loving how everything is so far. Everything is going really great. So I can't wait to show you guys how it looks after I am done with it. So the next thing was to hem the blouse, and our lecturer told us that we have to do it by hand, which was a bummer because I was not expecting it, but I have to do it anyway. And after hemming the blouse, I was only left with attaching the sleeves, the cuffs, and the buttons. So I just finished hand stitching the hem, and now I have to start working on the sleeve. And at this point, I had already done the gathering stitches at the top and the bottom of the sleeves. So now I am gathering the top of the sleeves and pinning it to the armhole, and I will stitch it on a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. Hi guys, I wanted to show you where I'm at with the blouse. I finished attaching the sleeves, the puff sleeves. Here they are. You have these gathers on top here. I haven't removed the gathering stitches on both sides. Yeah, this is the gathering stitch, and here at the bottom of the sleeve I have these 3 gathering stitches. I have to gather this before I insert the cuff. Even on this side, these are the gathering stitches. I have to pull them, then pin to the cuff. I don't have the cuff right here, but that is it. My plan was to submit this blouse before school closed, but the day the school closed, my lecturer didn't help us with the blouse at all. Like she was just sitting in the office and she said she's not helping anyone with the blouse, so I couldn't finish it. I'm only left with attaching the cuff and the buttons. Yeah, I think we're doing buttons, so I have to make buttonholes and buttons here. So I am already done with everything. I've hemmed the bottom. You saw me hand stitching the bottom, so you don't see the stitch on the outside. And I'm done with the collar. I've stitched the collar. I am completely done with it. I also top stitched here the corners, the edges. So yeah, that is it today. Hopefully I will finish this because school is opening today, which means I'm going to stitch the cuffs, then the button and the buttonhole. Yeah, and then I will submit it. Now I am attaching the cuffs to the bottom edge of the sleeves, and I will only be left with making the buttons and the buttonholes, and the bottom edge of the sleeve is gathered as well. And after I was done stitching the cuff, I overlocked the edge and around the shoulders. been holding this video for when I was completely done with this blouse, but till this day I haven't stitched the buttonholes and attached the buttons because my lecturer has to show me whether I should stitch the buttonholes vertical or horizontal. So yeah, I'm going to stop this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below. I always make sure to reply your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And I am looking forward to seeing you guys on my next video.